Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Flicky AI and InVideo. Flicky AI and InVideo are powerful tools for video creation, but they serve different needs. Flicky AI is a user-friendly tool that transforms text into engaging videos with lifelike AI voiceovers. It's great for creating explainer videos, audiobooks, and social media content quickly. The platform offers a wide range of languages and voice options. While it's efficient and easy to use, customization options are somehow limited compared to traditional video editors. Its free plans start at $0. The standard plans start for $21 per month. A premium plan starts for $66 per month, and the enterprise at custom pricing. Meanwhile, InVideo is a versatile video creation platform ideal for marketers, educators, and content creators. It offers thousands of templates, drag and drop editing, and supports both beginners and advanced workflows. However, rendering speed and occasion bugs can be a drawback for some. In the free plan, you have to pay $0 per month. The Plus will cost $28 per month. Max will cost $48 per month, and a generative will cost $96 per month. In my opinion, Flicky is best for speed and automation, while InVideo is better for creativity and precision. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.